Alright, Elon Musk, who needs no introduction, has made an AI language model to rival ChatGPT. And it's sarcastic. Let's talk about it. Most of you probably know who he is. The CEO of X, formerly Twitter, has made a new language model AI that essentially functions the same way ChatGPT does. It's called Grok, and it seems somewhat legit. The whole model is based its personality off The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, a book from the 1970s. Did we really need to give the robot a personality? Despite how old the book is, the language model claims to have much more up-to-date information than ChatGPT, which is cool to see. Again, these are all claims from X and Elon Musk, so take them with a grain of salt. I have applied for the beta, but I don't quite have access to it yet. Make sure to stay subscribed and I'll give you guys an update on that once I get access. The article implies that the AI gets all of its information not from Google like every other language model, but from X, and you can see the problem there. That's not the most reliable news source. It's also said it's designed to have a witty sense of humor and a rebellious streak. Like most people, I read that and thought, well, that's gonna be fun for about 30 seconds. Trust me, it gets worse. They go on to say, please don't use it if you hate humor. I'm certain Elon wrote that himself. It's crazy that I have to say this, but this channel is specifically tech news. I don't want to touch on politics, but it is kind of textbook Republican to say something super offensive and then be like, it was just a joke. Did you really need to make the robot biased? How about I ask it a question, it gives me information, all done. Moving on, they disclaim that the model is only 2 months old, meaning it's undercooked like every other X product, but they say it's only getting better from here, which is the definition of machine learning. It also claims to be able to answer spicy questions. That means one of two things. The first not as likely option is and whatever gets your rocks off, I guess. But number two is again just more of that offensive stuff, which is one of the things about Elon that just kind of rubs me the wrong way. Regardless of merit or truth or anything like that, anything that spreads hate is wrong. A revolutionary idea, I know. Elon, like always, has sort of the right idea, but the execution is way off. Like all AI, I'm looking forward to where this is going, but it's not looking too promising. Stay tuned for more updates. Party on, dudes.